Took her on a date, I tried to be fancy, play her some music, my diamond be dancing. I'm probably romancing, got out of panties. We south in Miami, skied off in the Lammy. We dipping through traffic, she singing my ad lib. We be pouring act still, now this ain't no Advil. We be popping mad pill, say where my dad live. We ain't been to boot camp, but we been on.
Yeah, she said it beats me. You know her, the people that tag her recent. Oh, friend walked. Okay, my shit, bitch. This is exactly what I mean.
So we clear right now, huh? You see the fleet, all the new things. Top cars with the loose chain. All white like a Mustangs. Niggas see me rolling and they move.
Good as fuck. Y'all, I feel so cute. I feel cute. I look cute. Bitch, I'm cute. The only thing I could say about this hair just feels...
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
It just feels very light. I did not do the crafting stuff I was supposed to do for the shoe. I was dependent on somebody else to do it for me. I have an hour between we about to not do anything with the branding. I may just have the cell phone. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But I think so far, I think I'm okay. Let me check. I had asked ChatGPT as far as like, hey chat, I only got a good hour. What can I do within the 1 hour that I have? Yeah. Let's see. Sticker design crunch time. Alright. Yeah. So I have everything. And I also have the logo already. So let's see if I can do everything within a few minutes. It says setup is 15 minutes. Oh, it says print is 10. Cut is 20. That means I got until like 8 o'clock to do everything. Let me see. Yes, you're good. You can absolutely pull this off if you want. Send me your logo real quick and I tell you. Oh, yes. Let's send the logo to chat. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Do I even have... Oh, yup. Right here. Yes, chat.
Right here?
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. I'm gonna grab these items. I'm gonna have a shower, so be back with it. Guys, I hope I could tell you. Think I could do it. I think it's just gonna be. I think I'm okay with that. Over it.
My sea bass, yeah. They could get the same surgery, still can't make another me. Drinking water, I got clear skin. I don't see these bitches getting underneath. Back when I had the boutique, now my closet is the boutique. Needed more space for the Birkin, so I added 4,000 more square feet. They screaming. They screaming. They screaming. so fucking cold, I could put your coat in the choke, John Cena. Every time I hop out the shower, he gon' get behind it like the line leader. And he'll tell you I ain't lying either. We was hopping off the boat, paparazzi trying to catch us like a wide receiver. Oh boy, I like me.
Sure. Yeah.
That shit is so disrespectful.
What's your TikTok? Oh, okay.
So confusing, the socially acceptable way of doing it.
Oh, it's a big number. It's a big number two usually.
I'm gonna go get a seat first. Say hi. No, use your country accent. Hi. Oh, damn.
Okay.
They caught a fucking fly. I will hate to be dumb. During the day is crazy. Okay. What are you trying to do? You trying to turn? What you trying to do? What you trying to do? Tell me what you trying to do. Is this me? I hope this is me. Let me just make sure. Hey, last boss?
Okay.
In the car before I go. Yup, not playing with none of these motherfuckers. I hope they're open. Closed? They closed? Fuck. Are they closed? Closed? It's not opening. Oh! Jesus. Hi. The food is so good. I cannot wait to see. Oh my God. Got baby corn for me. Oh, what we started? Listen. You cannot come to a Peruvian restaurant and not get it. First of all, let me get my anyway, I'ma just talk from here. We just gonna hold it because it ain't too cute anyway. But when I usually come here, I always get a sangria, and then I always end up getting. They have like these fries, the steak, no shade. I be getting the rotisserie chicken. Y'all gonna have to just understand it. I'm not gonna always be put together. I just won't. And that's okay. Give me the white meat. White meat. But yeah, so I'ma drink on my sangria, do what I do. Y'all already know. First and foremost, this may be the last time that y'all see me drinking alcohol. I yap all day. It's the Leo in me. I'll do a Q&A. If y'all want to know more about me, I'll definitely do a Q&A. It's so much to know about me. Just so far, I'm just an entrepreneur girl. Amazing journey, especially as I continue to build, like my personal brand, get on my gym shit, just stay locked in with me. Understand that nobody got me but the man above. Okay? But I know y'all got me, and I hope y'all got me, and I hope and I pray that I continue to elevate in my YouTube journey. It's that I've always wanted to do since I was a young girl. I probably had about 3-4 YouTubes. I used to be on SoundCloud making songs. Like, I've always wanted to do anything that has something to do with media, and I love the YouTube platform. Even with being as busy as I am, my man will tell y'all, my clients will tell y'all, I will be locked in with my YouTubers, watching them. I love the YouTuber girlies, okay? So I'm tired of watching the YouTube girlies because I see my personality in a lot of people that I do watch, and now I'm gonna become one of the YouTube girlies. Everything you want for yourself, do it. Do it and don't let nobody tell y'all otherwise. Okay? I hope I'm not too loud with this mic. I don't care, but I want y'all to hear it again. Take yourself serious. Put yourself on the forefront. Show up for yourself. Invest in yourself. Do what you have to do for you. Once I stop taking care of everybody else, once I stop telling people what to do, how to do it, I even stopped helping my friends edit videos. I stopped a lot of things. When I stopped a lot of things and I focused it on me, that's when blessings is coming left and right. I'm not saying that because you're helping other people, you're focused on other people, blessings aren't going to come. Because I wouldn't be this far in life if that was the case. And I've been helping people and still helping people till this day. But I mean, you putting more energy into helping other people and not yourself, that's where you could F up at. Because worry about you. Because in the end, who's gonna be there? Ain't nobody got you but you and the man above, and that's that. But I'm gonna stop chatting. I'm hungry. My camera's on 16%, and I do have a day of more activities. I'm trying my best to be active for y'all, do things for y'all, show y'all things. Whatever you want to see in my videos, just comment below, let me know what you want to see, and yeah. But my food just got here. I'm about to eat, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. They kind of made my... I got it. Hey. Hi, Zon.
Good. Last boss?
Yeah, last boss. So, it's this Instagram page I be following on Instagram, and they basically be throwing out laps, whatever. So I'm about to go to Hannah Montana's pop-up shop, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So I'll talk to y'all when I get there. I would never, ever in my life stand on a line like this. Baby, the line go from down the block. I'm not doing it. Is you crazy?
Whoa.
Baby, what?
What is the line this one?
Hannah Montana. Have a good one. Have a good one, honey. Like, this is crazy. Like, no way. This is crazy, babe. This is crazy. Like, I'm not standing on its lunge. You fucking crazy. It never gave that. Give myself. It never gave that. Baby, let me call you back. Like, what? Like, y'all, the line goes from down the fucking block. The line goes from down the block. Bitch, who? Who doing it? Bitch, not me. Might not ever. Wait, oh, is it only that? No. That's not even it. They got attendees on each side. I should have known. For Hannah Montana, bitch, I should have known. And bitch, I'm from New York. I walk in the street. Fuck. I walk in the street. Watch out. I walk in the street. This is crazy. And I'm thinking, you know, let me come early. I'm a late night kind of bitch. Bitch, oh, my girl is Hannah Montana ready. On the train it is, because bitch, I don't got time. We going to Brooklyn. We going to Brooklyn.
People's 60th birthday, Abby.
Lower. Oh, I hate when I fucking look. This is what it's like. This is what it's like. Smoke on my ganja. Smoke on my ganja. And I have uptown, that way. The beach road. Where is I'll talk to y'all later. I'm throwing y'all my purse. Out of breath. And yeah. So they run up and Yorkshire. I'll talk to y'all later. My mouth hurts so bad. So bad. You what? Baby OG. It's okay. I don't think I'm supposed to. But going my happy ass with my happy ass money right on over to Cheesecake fucking Factory. Oh, hello? Yeah, I left. Get the fuck out of here. Like, he was like, no, I was coming to you right now. Like, no, nigga, is you cool? Like, and that's not the first time he served me, and he just take mad long. Like, he just don't know how to work a full fucking, whatchamacallit, he just don't. Cheesecake Factory said the ball wasn't full. I said, I'm coming. They not Well, that was fucking good. That was good. It's real good. You don't want to stand out there with them people. This dad, and my boyfriend's dad wanted to go. And I think what's going on over there? I need to mind my business. I need someone I'm fucking with because where's my cat? I don't even know what's what. Okay. Where you going? Oh yeah. Huh?
Right?
Yup.
Yes, I look you.
Yep. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make sure. We good. Alright. I don't know if y'all ever been to Fogo de Chao. I love Fogo de Chao. Hello? Hi, babe. I need to start messing around. I need to edit, take care of my business, and yeah. So I'm gonna try to utilize this time that I have, 40 minutes, to do so. I'll be right. But look, if I don't come back, I love y'all. And if you still watching, I love you 10 times more. Shampoo. Thank you, Bask and Lather. Like, ow. For the men.
Ice. Yo. Manish on the beach, shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking and trying me do like Bryson. Don't. Can I forgive? I can't. What do I need? Some shorty keep asking a date. She tryna finesse Polly Market for bread. Where's the beef? It's cooked. Where's the boy? He's booked. Don't even recognize none of these things at the top of the charts. I look. Am I upset? A bit. Last one you dropped was I did press play on that. Mid, skip. What should I take? A trip? Who should I take? His tennis lessons with a Nike skirt on and that popping out. You're 6. Where's the goat? They need one. The mirror's right here. I see one. My don't know how to pay me back, so he said next hat he catches a free one.
I'm not waiting for 20 minutes. Never doing that. Not for no face wash. I'll figure it out tomorrow and go somewhere else. But I'm waiting for my cab. I'm gonna go get my hair done. I do have a client later on tonight. I had to reschedule her. She booked same day, and I couldn't accommodate her. But now, I told her I'm gonna do it today. Today is my last day to do it. Before I do go to Philly. I go to Philly on Tuesday. But tomorrow I gotta do a consultation for a teeth surgery. I'm pretty sure I told y'all what was going on. That's why I really haven't been like really showing my face on here, because I've been in pain. My teeth hurt, and I'm pulling up now. Ever come to New York for a hoodie shop? Everything closed. Ow. Active track and naval. Like, no, nigga. Oh, they are open. They didn't make it strawberry, but it's okay. I'ma drink it.
Strawberry?
They didn't do the strawberry lemon drop.
But I didn't do. I sent the Grey Goose lemon drop
And
martini.
martini. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
it's all right. Next time I'll just have you do strawberry.
Okay. Because we.
Oh, let me drink some water before I go. All right, have a good one, hun. All right. Let me hold my bag tight. Oh, they got necklaces. Oh, they got cookies. I look so cute. My man watching our show. Why is he watching the show? Baby, oh, this my cat? I think that's my cat. I think that's my cat. Let's check the license plate. 25650C. Oh, okay. Hey, how you doing? Check the license plate.